When what to my wondering eyes did appear? But snow, guys, snow. Yes, it's a new day and it's still snowing. Except for we're heading westbound today. Going to Indianapolis to pick up a jet engine for Miami. That tells you we're going to be getting out of this slushy mess. There's not any traffic out here. What's today? Monday? Is it Monday? All right. And I think everybody parked before the storm ever hit over here.
Well, it's a big cross-country storm, too.
Well, maybe that's why they parked. I mean, maybe they never made it out here, right? I've seen video and pictures of Illinois, and it was all snookered up. Why ain't my hood showing in this video? What's going on up there? I don't know. But I don't find it slickery. Slickery dickory dock. You think it's okay, girl?
For now, it's okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I guess you can see it a little bit. It's just dark up there. Ain't it a beautiful day? What are we going to do in Miami? Not worry about snow. We're not going to worry about snow. We're not going to think about snow. It'll be spectacular. Just go slow. You want to drive, girl?
Not yet. I gotta take a nap after we get loaded. I'll be driving in the wee hours of the morning.
Oh, darn. Well, it'll be dry then.
Good.
Or it might be raining. And we're doing 43 miles an hour, and apparently we got to slow down because everybody else is slowing down. I don't know. People are afraid of the snow, and you should respect the snow, but I'm not afraid of it.
Now, this is snowy enough. It's actually above freezing. It's not even, like, it's not on the back of the mirrors right now.
Yeah, the spray's coming up from the tires. The mirrors ain't frozen. It was icing a little bit ago, but it didn't stick to the truck. I don't know why it didn't stick to the truck, but it didn't. I was okay with that. This might stick around for Christmas time.
It might.
Well, anyway, I know how you guys like these snow videos, so we'll just leave this puppy on for a little bit and let y'all see what happens. Hell, something exciting might happen, right? And if so, we've got it right here. Let's do something dangerous, guys. Let's make a move. I think driving on snow and ice is just part of the job that we sign up for when we become truck drivers. I think that's part of what makes me feel like a barbarian sometimes, or a sea captain or whatever, right? I mean, if you're on a ship crossing the ocean in 1492 or 1220 or whatever, you didn't stop for a snowstorm, right?
Nope, you just went on through it.
You're like, oh hell, it's snowing. I might hit an iceberg. Oh, well, we're gonna keep on rolling. Or swimming or something. What, sailing maybe? If you're in a train, do you stop?
There's flashy lights up here on the right.
It's the flashy lights on both sides.
You're right, it is. Maybe it's something else.
It must be something else. This is that
Maybe it's a sign or something.
that guy that passed us earlier, and then yeah,
kind of soft to get back over.
We're not going to talk bad about him. I'm sure he's a good old hand. He was just probably disorientated from the snow. That's what it was. Oh, and Trucker Daddy, this is not a live feed. This is a pre-recorded video. Just so you know. This storm's stretching all over the country. Have you seen any more updates on it?
Me?
Yeah.
Southern Illinois, depending on where you're at, is getting anywhere from like 1 to 6 inches more today on top of what they got yesterday, and it's coming through in a couple waves, I think. But it's gonna snow.
We got 5 inches last night, and then in Ohio, and then it rained on it this morning, so it smushed it down. "11 miles to the bypass." I'm afraid it's going to be a nasty mess in town. All right, it is Indianapolis, guys. More snow on the ground. Let's see what it looks like. Traffic is moving at 6:09. Can you believe that? That is just totally crazy. Now, I could have been here an hour ago if I'd known that there wasn't going to be any traffic. I would have skipped dinner and came over here and got loaded. I would be headed south with my jingle bells rocking.
Is Fred's going to stop on the bridge in front of us?
Well, he's got four-wheelers in front of him. Let's drive over here. It's starting to get icy though, guys. It is starting to get icy. We will continue on though, because we are fearless idiots.
Speak for yourself.
You're pretty fearless.
Well, what about the other part?
And the idiot part? Well, I don't know. You have your good days and bad days. I'm not feeling the iciness, but it's just starting to look icy. I've still got spray coming off the tires. As you can see from this little four-wheeler passing right here, he's got spray coming up. But it is decreasing now, though. I shall come over, guys. Let me over. It's about 18 miles to where I'm going, and it's going to be a slow trip. The road's definitely starting to glare up, though.